Hello YouTube family, it's Minnie here. Thank you for joining me today. I have a haul video for you. I got a few things from Michael's, Amazon, and American Crafts. So let's start with Michael's. So with Michael's, I needed a 2026 calendar, and they had the Happy Planner on sale. And this one's what I got. It is really beautiful, kind of like the moth themed, moth and butterfly and dark floral themed, and it has vertical layouts, and that's what I like in planners. Like the weekly layout is vertical, and I love this color too. Very pretty. So that's the first thing I got, and then the second thing I got are these large lobster claw clasps. Came out of the packaging it was in, so I just put it in this little container, but this is going to be good for like stitch markers or hanging charms and things like that. So that's the next thing I got. And then the last thing I got from Michael's is this 1.5 millimeter one-step looper. I've been eyeing on this for a while, and I finally got it. I would have liked a bigger size than this that has the yellow handle, but I couldn't find it anywhere, so this is the one I got. I make a lot of jewelry, so I'm hoping that this is going to help me make some bracelets and necklaces. And then now from Amazon, I got some essential items. I got this huge, this is 500 milliliter container of Tombow Mono Aqua liquid glue, and I love this product. I have gone through 3 of these, the smaller ones, so I thought might as well get a bigger one so that I can save some money on that, and that was $16.99, so that's a good deal. And then the other thing I got is the 1 by 1/8 inch double-sided tape, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 of these. I think this was $5.99. I use these to make my shaper bookmarks, so I got a pack of that. And then the last thing I got is this ring. These rings, they are 1 1/4 inch. I want to say, it doesn't say it here, but I believe that's what I got. And these are going to be very versatile because you can use these as a album spine, kind of to put everything together, or you can use these like as a keychain too. So I think I'm going to be getting a lot of uses out of these. And I have, like, let me pull out the colors there are in this. Oh my goodness. So these, oh, and the blue one. So these are the colors we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different colors. So can't wait to play with these. Now from American Crafts, this is my first time buying things from American Crafts, and they have a huge sale going on right now. 3 of the things are here, but my 4th thing is not here yet, which is a jig, and once that arrives, I will just attach that. I'll just show you guys when it's here. So the first thing I got is this circle cutter. It cuts paper to anywhere from 4 to 12 inches big. So I am excited to use this, and there are 3 blades, so that's nice to have extra blades. And then this is a silicone mat to put on my desk. It is 17.7 inches by 25.2 inches. This is thin. It's not as thick as my self-healing mat, which is fine because this is big, and I can do any kind of craft on this. So really excited. And these were all on sale. And then the last thing I got are these scissors. There's 2 of them, one for cutting fabric and one for cutting paper, and these are like pretty heavy duty scissors. It's very smooth. So that's pretty much what I have for now. Okay guys, so the jig is here. It is pretty big. This is what it looks like. Let's open it. Oh, this was already open a little bit. Hopefully it's not a return item. Okay, so this is the base part. And then it comes with a cutter. This looks like a flush cutter. And then some wires. These are very thick. Looks like maybe 12 inches or 12 gauge. And then all the little pieces are in there. And I'm excited to see this booklet here that shows you what you can make, or some of the ideas. So let's just quickly go through this. First couple pages are the instructions. There are hearts, star and moon, fork, knives, word love, peace sign, hello, ice cream. What is this? Like, I don't know what this, oh, bird. Maybe like a macaw or something. And then some more words. Monstera leaf. flamingo, some more words. So lots of words. Oh, bicycle. And this is going to be a big, these are going to be big because if you compare, it's gonna be about this size, I think. Christmas tree here, and some more words. So I'm excited to play with this. And something else I noticed was that it says here there is a new kind of wire that's like a new light up neon wire sold separately. I think that'll be interesting too. So that's pretty much everything from my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye for now.